Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of May the 12th to the 18th. On Sunday the 12th, it is Mother's Day, so a very special Mother's Day greeting. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, pet moms, grandmas. Hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. And hopefully you get out to Walgreens and have some time for you and do some couponing, or alternatively the Dollar General, as it's the last day of their clearance event. So diving right into this, we have a booster valid from the 12th to the 24th, so that's 2 weeks, 10 back when you spend 40. And then also some very high value digital coupons showed up midweek. You might want to go through your, only for yous and load them. I got a 20 off of some Crest white strips. How lovely is that? In celebration of Mother's Day, Walgreens is offering a free 8x10 right through Sunday the 12th. If you use the code RAIN, 8x10, exactly as pictured. Let's NASA enhance that. So get your free 8x10. You have to order it through the app, and it's one per store card. So on Sunday, May the 12th, it's the final day of the Dollar General clearance event where you get an additional 50% off of clearance merchandise. They pull a lot of totes from the back, a lot of party favors, a lot of Michigan couponers are finding. I found like 400 penny items, guys. It might be worth your time to take a little walk through your Dollar General. You have up until Sunday the 12th for the 50% off. I made a video where I'm like walking through what I was finding on Friday. I'll link it at the end. You might want to check it out, and maybe a nice Mother's Day activity to do. Back to Walgreens, and the rest of the video is just Walgreens, I promise. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad will be published on Sunday, May the 12th, along with all of the digital coupons. This is just a preview. I've been doing this, though, for a very long time, so we do have some great info in this video, though. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about is the very cheap shampoo. It's for both the Fructis and the whole blends at 2 for $8. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon and a $4 register reward when you buy 2. And typically they'll give you the digital coupon for both the Fructis and the whole blends. So you'll get 3 off of 2 digitals. So grabbing 2 of the Fructis for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per shampoo. And you can also do this with the whole blends. Just a tip for you guys, if you were going to do both the whole blends and the Fructis, 2 separate transactions, so those register rewards will print for you twice. If you buy all 4 in one transaction, only 1 register reward will print. And also you can use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this with no booster. Spend it to earn that register reward. For this next deal, possible money maker for some free Crest. Ibata has a $2 rebate, and it doesn't exclude the use of coupons in the fine print. And yes, I did look. You might want to double, triple check your Ibata. I'm not a very heavy Ibata user, so maybe that's why they're more lenient with me. I don't know. But here's the deal. Grabbing 2 of these Crests for $6, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $3. Get back one $3 register reward. Photograph your receipt to Ibata for an additional $2 back. It makes it freebie or freebie and a $2 moneymaker if you can get that Ibata rebate rocking and rolling. And let's make sure that Ibata rebate is there on Sunday morning too. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This is still ongoing. These tubes of the peanut butter M&Ms minis. They are buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 of them is $3.75. We have a $1 digital coupon dropping it down to $2.75. Check your Fetch Rewards rebate if you're getting 1,500 points back for each. It basically makes it a freebie. How lovely is this? Now the Colgate $4.50 items we're looking at, or the $4.50 items. We have a 4 off 2 digital and then a $4 register reward when you buy 2. The quick matchup here is 2 of these products is $9 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So some cheap dental care products pour vous. The Olay is back at $7. We have a 5 off 3 digital, and then you're also going to get back a $5 register reward when you buy 3. Grabbing 3 of these products is $21 on the nose. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you wish to grab Old Spice, you can do that too. It's interchangeable. It's either Olay or Old Spice. This one's interesting. If you look down, $10 store reward when you buy 2, and the $9.99 razors are part of it. So yes. Now, here's the interesting thing. We have digital coupons that are actually expiring on Saturday. Will 2 new $3 populate for the Venus and Gillette? That's what we have to wait and see. But 2 of these razors for $19.98. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, if they show up, fingers crossed, pay $13.98, get back a $10 register reward. It makes it $1.98 per razor, and it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but Sunday will be very telling if those $3 coupons for both Venus and Gillette populate for us. Let's look at a deal using this guy. So I noticed something in the ad that was really interesting to me. If you're a user of these multivitamins that are gummy consistency, I can't do the big horse pills, but I can do this. It's $5 back in Walgreens Cash when you spend $25, and Centrum is part of it. Now, Ibata has a very generous rebate back for these vitamins as well for $3 for each. Make sure your rebate is still there. So grabbing 4 of these, it would be $44.97. Let's have our booster loaded. We're getting 5 back when we spend $25 on vitamins. Unfortunately, the payout for this at $44.97 is really big. You have to use your debit card as you're using a spend booster. If you have manufacturer register rewards to throw into this, by all means, you're getting back $15 in Walgreens Cash, 10 for the booster, 5 for vitamins, and then $12 back from Ibata for each unit of those vitamins, making it $17.97 for the 4 or $4.49 for these vitamins. And a lot of us, if you go through them, I mean, that's something I sometimes have to pay for out of pocket, which I hate. So this is definitely a stock up price. Do not use any Walgreens Cash with the spend 40, get back 10 booster. Everybody's favorite Dove bath care stuff is back as part of a deal this week. $2 reward when you buy 2, and we're going to have up to $5 off in digital coupons. So we're going to have to see like what's attaching and what's working. But grabbing 2 of these products is $7 each. That's $14. Subtracting $6 in digitals, you'll pay $8. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per product. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn your register reward. Talk about some quick honorable mentions before I skedaddle. The first one goes to the $1.99 Walgreens household cleaning products. You have some Walgreens Cash or store register rewards to burn through. This is exactly what I would do, especially items like, toilet bowl cleaner. Like, I hate buying that. So definitely a great item to grab. And then we have 4 for $10 on the Tide Simply Unstoppables. It shakes these products out to $2.50, which is really a great price point. I recently went to Dollar Tree and they're charging $5 for these products, and that's their price. I was shocked. We also have a lot of the Kellogg's products on a BOGO free promotion. You might want to check that out. This piques my interest. An Olay Premium Sunscreen or Super Serum. That sunscreen, is that like some sort of like deodorant stick that you put on your face? Like, how brilliant is that? I think I need to do a deal on that. So if some high value digital coupons show up for this newish product, definitely going to be looking at that. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.